attitude, breaking every rule. Got my partner by my side, living wild and true.
Good morning, darling. All right.
Good morning, darling.
Where are we?
Don't actually know.
Easter Sunday. Is it Easter Sunday? And we woke up in Yorkshire Dales in this very quiet little park up next to a river, and we've got a waterfall. There's a farm over the other side of the river that's got a little pop-up camping zone, but we're on this side of the river in the park up, and we've got a little waterfall just here. And I think today's video is just going to be exploring the dales and seeing what we can see. And this road leads in that direction up there. That leads up to the Tan Hill Inn, the highest pub in England, I think that is. The one that gets snowed in, famous for being snowed in. And look at this beautiful countryside though. And here we've got a footpath, and this footpath actually leads to Ravenseat, which you might recognise as being the name of the farm that lady runs, or ran, on the TV programme, The Dales Farmer. And she's got a book out and stuff like that. But isn't it beautiful? And the sun is just coming out now. It was a bit fresh this morning. And that's Reg, our elderly motorhome, who's done a very good job. Although one of the roads that we drove in, Route 71, wow, need to be a brave driver to drive that route. Anyway, we got through it. And we're going to go for a little trundle shortly. Oh, there's a bird of prey up there. Going to go for a trundle and see what we can see.
Learning buttons day by day, technology's our game. People say we're past our prime, but we're just getting strange. They say settle down at your age, find a quiet place to stay. But we've got different plans in mind, and we're doing it our way. Wild hearts don't fade, time can't cage this flame. Wild hearts don't fade, age is just a name, just a name. Remote controls and camera drones flying through the sky. Parked beneath the Scottish stars, freedom's what we find. Two cats watching from the dash as we chase the view. Breaking all conventions now, that's what rebels do. They say slow down, take it slow, find an easy road to go. But we've got adventure calls and we're putting on a show. Wild hearts don't fade, time can't cage this flame. Wild hearts don't fade, age is just a name, just a name. Stack up, but spirits rise, breaking free from all their lies, learning new tricks every day. Watch us fly. Wild hearts don't fade, just a name, just a name. Wild hearts don't fade, don't fade away.
So we've left the park up, which was lovely, and then we thought we'd drive and see if we could find any scenery. And if we do find any scenery, we're going to pull over and have a sausage sandwich. Is it a sausage sandwich, darling?
Yes, sausage sandwiches.
Sausage sandwiches, yeah. So we think we may have found a view. We're going to see what you guys think now. So we're going to get out the van and show you what I'm looking at right now out of my windscreen. It's pretty breathtaking, I must say. Yeah. Oh. Have a look at this place. And look at the view over there. We are literally on top of the world. The nearest named place to here is somewhere called Nateby, but I think we're still in the Yorkshire Dales National Park, but that might not be true. If I find out that it's not true, I'll put it on the put it up on the screen. But I mean, wow. And we got a wild kitten escaped. Oh, so he's right, he's back in the van now. But yeah, beautiful. So we're just going to have a sausage sandwich here and drive on through to Nateby, possibly even see the Tan Hill pub. I think that's along this road. Highest pub in England. See you in a bit. Just trying to get an action shot of the breakfast. Snorkers. Yeah, that 8 chipolatas.
Yes.
Between 2.
Yes.
And you look at, oh look at that. It's like you're looking very rock starish.
Am I?
Yeah. Breakfast is being served, and we've got our chalkboard there. We might turn the bathroom door into a chalkboard, and
Still got last year's things on.
still got last year's things on there. It's first trip out this year, would you believe, in 2025. But we've vinylled the cupboards, painted the walls and the ceiling.
I love how you say we.
We, yeah, I watched
You watched?
some of it.
Okay.
Yeah, and we got the kitten there. Hello, kitten. Wave.
Purple in my hair, turning heads out there. Got my camera set, can't work it yet, but we'll figure it out. They say settle down, find a quiet town. We've got other plans, just take my hand.
Now this is, where have we just come to? Baldershead. We're at Baldershead, and this is Baldershead Reservoir, which is looking beautiful today. And we are in the most stunning countryside. The wind is a bit fresh, but it's a nice sunny day with a blue sky. There's more water down there. So this is, behind us is Baldershead Quarry, in front of us is Hury, H-U-R-Y Reservoir, and there's a third reservoir as well. And this is, what's your name, sir? Kevin. This is Kevin. Hello, Kevin. And Kevin is a horned beast. Is that right?
Yeah.
Horned beast.
It's either a Swaledale or a Dale's bred
Ah, it could be a Swaledale or a Dale's bred
with them kind of horns. Yeah.
with them horns. Nice.
Horns.
Cool, cool, cool. And there's a wild cat is there. She has appeared. But what a beautiful day. Gonna wang the drone up in a minute and get some aerial footage of this. But the views are breathtaking.
So was the drive to get here.
And so was the drive, yeah. There's some mad footage of that somewhere. But it was dangerous, wasn't it?
It was bloody scary at times.
Got to be a confident driver for that sort of.
So I'm glad you were in the driving seat.
I nearly wanted you to swap though at one point. I tell you. But anyway.
I made extra kittens for that.
Purple in my hair, turning heads out there. Got my camera set, can't work it yet, but we'll figure it out. They say settle down, find a quiet town. We've got other plans, just take my hand. Free, won't drop, won't ever stop. Too old to care, but young inside. Living wild and red, this crazy ride. Cats in the backseat, making this complete. Scotland's calling now, don't ask me how we ended up here. Lost the signal again, reception's wearing thin, but that's just fine with me, 'cause we are free. People shake their heads, say we lost our minds. 106 years share, left it all behind it. Got the drone up high, can't make it fly, but we're learning now, yes we're learning now. Too old to care, too young to stop. Purple in the hair, breaking free, won't drop, won't ever stop. Too old to care, but young inside. Living wild and red, this crazy ride. Too old to care, too young to stop. Purple and red hair, breaking free, won't drop, won't ever stop. Too old to care, but young inside. Living wild and red, this crazy ride.